Come make pumpkin squares with me. You're gonna first start by preheating your oven to 375, and then you're gonna need some flour, sugar, oil, eggs, nutmeg, ginger, cream cheese, cinnamon, baking soda, baking powder, and canned pumpkin. I have a half a block of cream cheese softened, which is 4 ounces. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 egg slightly beaten, and then I'm going to mix this all up and set it aside in the fridge until I'm done mixing the rest of our pumpkin batter. For our dry ingredients, we're going to combine 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. And if you don't have the cinnamon, the ginger, and the nutmeg, you can always use pumpkin pie spice. I'm just going to sift this together and make sure there's no little clumps in there and set it aside. For the wet batter, we're going to combine 1 egg, 1/3 cup of oil, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of pumpkin. Now I'm just going to mix all this up. Now I'm going to combine the dry batter in with the wet batter, and I'm going to give this a mix with my hand mixer. I went ahead and greased a 9x13 pan, and now I'm going to add our pumpkin mixture to the pan. I'm just going to go ahead and spread this out. Now I'm going to take my cream cheese mixture and spoon some lines over top of the pumpkin mixture. Now I'm just going to take a butter knife and give this a marble effect by cutting some lines through it. Now I'm going to pop this in the oven at 375 for about 25 to 30 minutes. These turned out beautiful and this kitchen smells delicious. Fresh baked pumpkin squares.